Hello guys, today we're gonna fix this mini washing machine. This is a mini folding washing machine. It has a problem with the spinning. Sometimes it's spinning one way forward and not coming backward. Or if you find your machine is not spinning at all, you can watch my other video about checking the motor. How to test this motor is still good or not, and checking these capacitors, the running capacitors. And basically this machine has only three parts. This is the timer, the manual timer, the capacitor and the motors. You can check this motor and this capacitor. You can check if it's still running or not with a multimeter. And for this moment the motor is still good and the capacitor is still good. Only the spinning only one way forward, not backward, or vice versa. The problem is with the spinning like that is from the rubber belt. This is a V rubber belt. You can see why it's called V, because the inner shape of the rubber belt is like a V letters. And you can find it online. You can buy this online by reading the code. As you can see, the code here is 0405E. It means it is 405 millimeter, the length of the LI, inner circumference. You can find the same size or the same code. There are so many brands online you can find, but sometimes it is very hard to find the right rubber belt. So what happens when the machine is not spinning two ways? It's because the rubber is getting deteriorate. Yeah, you can either measure this length. I already measured this length. Is not 405 anymore, it's already longer, maybe 410 or 420. So the rubber is not grabbing the pulley very tight, it is loose, and sometimes it slips from the pulley. And today I'm gonna try to use another ways. This is experimental repair. I'm gonna use this regular rubber band. Yeah, so many rubber band also out there with a different diameter. This one I found it near my house, supermarket near my house. This is a light rubber band. The size is 64. This is the biggest rubber band I can get, and maybe you can find it also online. I'm gonna try this anyway for experimental repair. Okay, let's get started. And the other indicator that showing that your belt is not in good condition anymore is, you can see I have this new one and the old one. This is the old one. You can see by the surface. You can see the surface is already missing. The rubber is already missing compared to this new one. And if you can see from your inside machine itself, you can see there are a black, like a black powder spreading all over the machine. It is a rubber powder deposit. It is from the rubber belt. Until I found the rubber is slowly getting thinner and thinner because this rotating every day. And I think this rubber is already bad because the surface is already missing, or the length of the rubber is getting longer and longer over the time. Okay, to install and reinstall your rubber belt, you need to unscrew all the screws and open this cover, the small cover. This is the only space that you can install your rubber with hands. And then don't forget to unplug the drain pipe. This is for the drain pipe. And the first step is we need to install the small pulley first from the motor. For this experiment, I want to use this rubber band, maybe 2 of them, or maybe 3. Later, we will see. First, we need to install the small pulley like this, And don't forget to see the screws holder. These are different position. This is 2 and this is 1. This is the guide for us to install the screws. We flip like this with our hands grabbing this. And we can manually put the rubber into the larger pulley. You can also rotating the pulley. Okay, we already installed the rubber band. And don't forget to put this pipe to the place, the drain pipe. And let's try this. We plug the power. We set the timer here. Okay guys, this machine working again after I replacing the rubber belt. This is the original rubber belt, and it's turned out it's hard to find the exact number for the code online. The nearest code that I got is 400. This is 405, and it's turned out it is too small. It is too small for this machine and it is not spinning at all. And this is my experiment. I'm using this regular rubber band. This is a large rubber band. This is our regular rubber band. You can find it anywhere, but this one I found it near my house at supermarket, and you can find this also online. There are various sizes and brands you can find. And yeah, the machine is working again. I don't know the durability, but this is my experiment. I hope this lasts longer until I find the correct rubber belt here, the V405, 405 millimeter. This is the diameter here. And if this machine still having problem with spinning, in my opinion, it may cause from the motor itself. Maybe it's already weak motor after several years working, and also maybe we put so much heavy load to the machine. So basically this machine is for maybe for traveling. Yeah, it is a compact size, and maybe this machine is not capable to handle very heavy washing like a blanket, jacket and everything. It's only suitable for light clothes like socks, handkerchief and a t-shirt maybe. This is not a heavy duty washing machine. This is my experiment today. I hope you enjoy this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. It will support me making more videos in the future. Thank you for your like and subscribe. Thank you very much. Terima kasih and bye bye.